Zoho Books versus ZarMoney, which offers better customization. If you've been searching for the perfect accounting software that can cater to your unique business needs, you've probably come across both of these options. But the question is, which one truly offers the better customization features? Let's dive right in. To start, Zoho Books is known for its flexibility when it comes to customization. You get the ability to create custom invoices with the option to add logos, images, and even personalized fields. But that's not all. Zoho also offers customizable templates for estimates, sales orders, and purchase orders, giving you a good amount of flexibility in how you present your business information. The major downside, however, is that these features can be somewhat limited when compared to some other platforms. Customization can be a bit tedious and might not offer the full freedom that larger businesses or more complex needs demand. Next thing, ZarMoney also shines when it comes to customization. The software offers more control over invoicing, including adding custom fields to invoices, customizing payment terms, and modifying tax rates. One of the biggest selling points is the ability to set up different user roles and permissions, which is ideal for teams. This allows administrators to decide who can access what, which is a major advantage for businesses that need to keep things compartmentalized. But again, there's a catch. ZarMoney's custom reporting feature, though quite robust, can feel a bit basic for those looking for deeper insights. The fourth thing to mention is the integration options. Zoho Books has a solid suite of integrations with popular platforms like Shopify, PayPal, and Stripe. It's great for businesses that are looking to sync data from various sources. However, integration customization is still somewhat limited compared to other solutions. You may have to rely on third-party tools or additional add-ons for some complex integrations. On the flip side, ZarMoney also provides integrations with a number of tools, but the range isn't as extensive as Zoho's. ZarMoney focuses more on streamlining core accounting functions, so while it offers fewer integrations, the ones it does offer tend to be tightly integrated into its platform. But for some, especially those with complex operational needs, this could feel like a limitation. Another point to consider is the user interface. Zoho Books offers a clean and intuitive design, which is a huge plus for businesses that want customization without the steep learning curve. That being said, the interface can get a bit cluttered when you start customizing a lot of features, and navigating through those customizations can sometimes feel like a chore. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be mindful of. ZarMoney, on the other hand, offers a simpler, more straightforward design. The user experience is minimalistic, making it easy to find what you need. Customizing the layout or reports can be done quickly, but some users report that the system can feel a bit rigid compared to Zoho Books. While ZarMoney gives you a lot of control over its core features, it lacks the level of intuitive customization that Zoho Books provides. Finally, pricing is something that can influence your decision. Zoho Books offers a more affordable pricing structure with a free plan for very small businesses and various paid tiers depending on the features you need. It's a more cost-effective option for startups or small businesses with basic customization needs. ZarMoney, however, is geared more toward medium to large businesses, and while it does offer a free trial, its pricing is on the higher side. Both Zoho Books and ZarMoney are solid choices, offering good customization options for small to medium-sized businesses. But if you want something that offers better freedom and functionality without the drawbacks of these two, then there is a better alternative available. After testing them both myself, I recommend you check out the software in the first link in the description. This is the best way to access a free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.